Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to dark mode Google Voice. I'm sure most of you have been searching on how to dark mode Google Voice, going through your Google Voice settings to search for dark mode, but unfortunately you won't be able to see dark mode from Google Voice settings because Google Voice does not allow dark mode on this application. So how Google Voice dark mode works is Google Voice partnered with iPhone and Android, so that whatever device you are using, Google Voice will be able to work according to the visibility of your device settings. So guys, in order for you to dark mode your Google Voice, how you do it is first you go to your phone settings. If you're in your phone settings, you scroll down, you click on display and brightness. You see it's currently on light mode. If I switch it to dark mode, my phone is now on dark mode. This way, if I should go to my Google Voice will also be on dark mode. You can see my Google Voice is now on dark mode. So guys, that is it on how to dark mode Google Voice. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.